Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be doing a mobile tutorial on the XTB app for beginners 2026. So we are first greeted with this homepage, which is the portfolio. Here we can further verify our identity, view all of our trades, investment plans, stock and shares, cash ICAs, history, and etc. So I'll be demonstrating this on my demo account. So we can go to the profile up here, and here we can see all of our information regarding personal details, regarding our account, settings, etc. And then we can press demo account down here. And then we can click markets here, and we can view all of the markets. So we can filter the different types of markets. We can search up here and search by the different categories. Once we have a stock, we can go ahead, click on the icon here and press favorites, and that will save it to favorites. After you have a market that you want to trade, you want to click on it, and this will bring up the chart as well as market and limit orders. If you want to enlarge the chart, click on the enlargement symbol up in the top right hand side corner. Here we can set levels. If we click in the top right hand side corner of the screen, we can go ahead and put in trend lines, Fibonacci retracements, and we can also use this tool, which will allow us to view potential trades before we actually execute them and work out risk to reward ratios and how much we'll be losing. So we can go ahead and set these parameters when we want to trade. If you want to delete it, press delete. In terms of setting a trade, we can go ahead and use this window for this. So this will execute a market order, and we can specify the amount. So say I want to do one contract in volume, and we can see the spread here, etc. If we go down, we can set take profits and stop losses here. These will be in pips, and it will correspond with the chart. So if we were doing a buy order, I want to make sure my take profit is above it. So say 4,000, and you'll see that there, and below it, say that I want it to be 600. You will see that when we zoom into the chart here. And then we can set stop loss and stop limit orders here also. If you click information in the top right hand side corner, this will give us all of the information regarding market hours, information on the stock, essentials. So once you're ready to place a trade, press buy or sell. Press confirm market order, and that will be done for you guys. If we press back and go to portfolio, we will see our trades here. Here we can go ahead and select close trade, close position. And from this window, we can also go ahead and go onto the trade here. We can view the market again. And yeah, that is all of the information you really need to start trading on the mobile version of this app. Here we can see some information regarding our markets and stuff like that. If this video helped, speak to you soon.